Hi kids, welcome to the class. Let's learn how to write the letter I. To write uppercase I or big I, start at the top and make a line down. Go back to the top and make another line across. Then go to the bottom and make another line across. Let's try it again. Down, across, and across. That's the letter I. Now, why don't you try? Great job! Now we're going to write the lowercase I or small I. Start in the middle and make a line down. Then go above the middle and make a small dot. Let's try it again. Down. Make a small dot above the middle. Excellent! Now check if you did it right. Well done! Now you know how to write the letter I. Next, let's see what words start with the letter I. I for ink. I for ice. I for iguana. Say it again with me. Ink, ice, iguana. Good job! For our next video on how to write the letter J, subscribe to EllieFun.